Anchors and Anchor Classic feature 6 interactive deformation tools. Select the deformer and click to place 2 anchor points on your mesh. Additional clicks will replace the prior anchor point. These brushes feature smart topological masking for quick deformation. Anchor points manipulate your mesh based on your current viewing angle and the distance between your anchor points. Click and hold on the anchor point followed by the Control key to reposition your anchors. Occasionally, adjusting your points from 2 angles is necessary to deform your mesh from a centered position. Alt-click on anchors to delete them. Occasionally, masking is needed to aid anchor brushes. Anchor Classic is identical to anchors with more of a hard edge deformation involved.